Good morning guys, I am starting today's vlog in my car because I am going to get my eyelashes lifted. So I thought I would take you guys along with me today. Today is actually my last day that I have to work, and then on Saturday I'm leaving on vacation. Today is Wednesday. We are the 4th of September and I am leaving on Saturday. We're going to the south of Italy again and I'm really excited. But I have been getting ready for my trip. So yesterday I got my hair colored. I did a little touch up. And today I'm going to get my eyelashes lifted because I don't want to wear a lot of makeup on holiday. So if my eyelashes are already lifted and I also have my eyebrows microbladed, I don't have to wear that much makeup. Maybe a little bit of concealer on my dark under eye circles, but that is it. So yeah, my appointment is at 10 o'clock. I almost have to get in. So let me show you guys what my eyelashes look like right now. I don't know if it's focusing, but this is what they look like. I do have pretty long eyelashes naturally. So this is them without mascara on. So I'm really excited to see what the result will be. Also, I have a huge pimple right here. Don't mind that. I ate too much chocolate this weekend. But yeah, I'm going to get them lifted. So this is the before and I will show you guys what they look like after. Alright, I just got back from the salon and this is what my eyelashes look like. I will show you guys up close. Don't mind the fact that all of my concealer is gone. I didn't know that they would take it all away, but this is what my eyelashes look like now. My eyes are still very red because they're so sensitive, but yeah, I am so happy with the end result. Now I'm going to head on over to work and do what I have to do there. Maybe I will vlog a little bit at work too. That might be interesting. I have a ton of new inventory that I have to put in our computer and tag and everything like that, so maybe I will show you guys how I do that. But yeah, good morning guys. It is the next day today. I am so sorry. Yesterday was my last day at work and I had so much work to do that I just couldn't vlog. It was a race against the time, but I managed to get everything done. I just didn't really vlog that much. I'm so sorry, but I just got out of the shower. It is Wednesday today and as you can see I look very tired and I have a pimple right here and I just look ratchet. Let's just say it like that, and especially with this 4K video. Never mind. But yeah, as I mentioned the day before yesterday, I got my hair touched up, and then yesterday morning I did my eyelashes, and then yesterday evening we did my nails. I went for these rainbow nails and I think it looks so freaking cute. It's going to be perfect for my vacation. But yeah, now I'm going to eat some lunch and then I'm going to film a makeup declutter, hopefully. So those are the plans for today. Alright, it is finally time for some lunch. The other day I made myself some vegetarian spaghetti, so I'm going to eat the leftovers now. Also, I have been obsessed with appetizer. I don't know why, but I have been addicted to that. It's a problem, I can tell you that. But yeah, I'm going to eat this and then also watch some YouTube videos. Okay guys, remember when I told you that I wanted to film a makeup declutter? Well, I have a little bit of a problem. So this is the tripod slash ring light that I use, and this is my new camera which weighs too much for the tripod. So for example, this was the drawer that I wanted to declutter, and I'll show you guys what happens when I try to angle my camera at it. So first off, I put on the ring light, and then normally what I used to do was just put it like this on top of, you know, where I want to film. But the problem is that this just falls down, like completely. So this is not strong enough for my huge camera. So yeah, that is a little bit of a problem. Don't know how I'm going to fix it. I'm afraid I'm going to have to order a new tripod. But since I am leaving on vacation in 2 days, I won't have enough time to order that and still film. Or maybe I do. I think if I order it on Coolblue, which is a website here in Belgium, that I have it the next day. So maybe if I order a new tripod today, that maybe I'll get it tomorrow morning and then I can still film the makeup declutter. Yeah, I will try to do that. I'm obsessed with these nails, by the way. But yeah, I will try to do that and hopefully I can film the declutter tomorrow.
And we are all literally wearing so extra hats. And we're matching because why not? Ew, I look so bad. We are here. We are boarding. I'm very excited. We're literally like, we are going. Oh,
Mom, I'm 17 years old.
Which is why I also brought you condoms.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I got my tripod. So I ordered one yesterday evening and it came this morning, so luckily right in time before I'm leaving on vacation. So now I'm going to film my declutter, and yeah, hopefully I will be able to edit it before I leave, but I'm going to start right now. Okay guys, so I just got done filming my makeup declutter video. We got rid of a lot. I will show you guys what we got rid of, but it's a lot. But as you can see, I am not wearing any makeup. I still have to do my makeup and film the intro for the video. But yeah, I am really happy I was able to film that. I'm going to import the footage now, and hopefully it is good. It looks good. So yeah, those are the plans for today: editing my makeup declutter video and also this vlog. But let me show you guys what we got rid of. It's a lot. Alright, so this entire bag is filled with makeup. Like, it goes very deep, and this is everything I got rid of, which is a lot, and my friends and family will be so happy. So yeah, I'm feeling very accomplished about this. Okay guys, it's time for a little update. As I mentioned before, I got ready filming. I still had to film an intro, which is what I just did. But now what I'm going to do is finish up packing, because as I mentioned, I'm leaving on holiday tomorrow, which I am going to film. I am taking this camera with me. But I thought I would quickly vlog and show you guys what I am packing and stuff like that. So cue the montage. Alright, so I think I have most of my stuff laid out. I still have to pack my toiletries and stuff like that, but that I'm going to do tomorrow, because of course I still need those. But I have my makeup in here, which I don't think I will wear makeup, but you never know. These are some bottoms. Then I have my PJs. These are all dresses. We have a ton of new dresses up on Blaise boutique, and I want to take pictures in them, so that's why I'm bringing almost all of them. I still have a few more that I have to pack actually, which are in the laundry right now. Bathing suits, hair accessories, which are also new in my shop. So we have some cute little like ribbon scrunchies and stuff like that. Then we have a very non-sexy bra but it is very comfy. Then we have some tops. I'm also bringing this book. This is by Oprah Winfrey. It's What I Know for Sure, and I can't wait to read this. I've heard amazing things about it. And then since I get headaches very easily, I also brought some painkillers. Then I have some more bathing suits here, a sweater because it might get cold. I hope not, but it might. Then this is stuff for my back. I'm going to take a backpack with me. I have some sunglasses, and then this is my handbag that I'm going to use on vacation. So I actually think I might end this vlog here and start my Italy vlog tomorrow. So yeah, thank you for sticking around to the end of this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!